Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful walnut crafts ideas for friends. I hope you enjoy more videos. So viewers, let's start today's video friends. I will share you viewers beautiful walnut crafts ideas. So my first idea is weavers. We can paint them in different color and turn them into cute animal. For example, we can make a tiny bee, paint the shell yellow and black, add small wings. Now it's look like a sweet little bee. We can also make a butterfly, just paint the shell and add colorful paper wings. It will look very bright and pretty. Another idea is some owl use brown owl wings, eyes and add small detail. It look very cute on a tree branches. Walnut shell can also be used for decoration. We can stick them on a photo frame and make them more beautiful. We can also use them in wall hanging crafts. If you want something different, try making Julieta small hook and turn it into earring and you can even reuse walnut shells in here. Scroll further, they are nature safe and very creative. These crafts help us recycle and reuse waste material. So keep trying new ideas and friends. You can paint walnut shell like puppy eyes or cat face. I use small ears and eyes. These are perfect for pretty magnet and weavers. And friends, the next idea is weavers. Friends, weavers, friends and weavers. We can make a mini fairy, use glitter wings, add a decorative walnut shell. It looks magical and beautiful. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers. Friends.